Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the place where you learn new skill every time you visit. So keep updating yourself by subscribing to the channel. So today we'll discuss slide pool and automatic practice assessment using random slide in Active Presenter. So to create slide pool, I need to open a project in Active Presenter. Right now I have opened an untitled project over here by the name untitled, and I need to go to view and I need to go to slide pool, right? So this is a toggle button with which the slide pool comes and disappears. You can have a look over here. Same button is toggling, right? Now, once the slide pool comes over here, by default, one pool is always there, right? But right now it doesn't have any slides. I have already created two pools. One is difficult, which has two slides, and another is easy, which has again two slides. So if you want to delete a pool, you just select the pool and click at this button. The pool will be deleted. If you want to create a pool, which I'll do now, I'll create one more pool, like very easy. So I'll click at plus and I'll give the name of the pool as very easy. Okay. Now I need to move slides to this pool. Now how will I do that? So for that, I just need to go to the slide, right click and move to very easy. Another slide, right click, very easy. Right, so now I have two slides in very easy, I have two slides in difficult, and I have two slides in easy. Okay, now how will I use these pools? Why I'm shifting my slides to the pool? To use that, you have to use the random slides. Now how to get a random slides? You need to go to the home over here, new slide, and then you go to the random slide. Once you go to the random slide, that random slide is automatically connected to one of the pool. Right now it's being connected to difficult. All right, so I want my first question to be very easy, so I'll connect it to very easy pool. Then I'll need a copy of the same random slide, and this I'll connect it to easy. Now I'll paste it again, and this I connected to difficult. That's already connected, right? So I have three slides, each connected to a different pool, and every pool has two questions. So when I will produce an output, I'll try to produce two outputs simultaneously, and we'll then see that both the outputs has got different set of questions. Okay, may have different set of questions because the active presenter automatically picks the slides from the pool. So you just have a project with these slides, with these random slides, and your topic and your report slide, and just go and export, right? Export to HTML file. Destination I'll choose as desktop. Okay, and there I'll choose another folder because both name is going to be same, so I'll try to give a different name. So I'll choose different folders. So I'll say test1. So it goes to the first output goes to test1 folder on the desktop, right? I'll see it both together. Now I'll again do one more output, and similarly I'll take it to the desktop. Select folder, and I'll keep the folder name now as test2. That was test1, this is test2. Alright, now our desktop should have two folders by test1 and test2 name. Here they are. So I'll go to test1 folder and see. I'll run this practice test, the first version created from the random slide, and I'll see that the first question is keyboard as input device, then three examples of input device, and a sequence question. Now let's see my test2 version. So I'll go to test2 and I'll see that which question it has picked up. So yeah, its output device question has changed, Java's computer language question has changed, and here also the question has changed, right? So this is the way we can use random slides and slide pool. So you just have to set up once. You create a project once with the random slides. Every time you have to create a new test, new practice test, just export it and get a new version. Just export it and get a new version, right? I hope you have liked the video. If you have really liked it, please press the like button. And thank you for very much for giving your time to watch this video. Thank you so much.
If you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. Also press the bell notification so that you get notification as soon as I release a new video. Share and like the video.